Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope everyone is fine. So on that note, let's start this video. So before that, guys, if this course is part of your semester, so you can comment in the comment section if this is a part of your semester, because if you have some more classmates along with you, then you can join this exam preparation video MCQs. It is completely designed as per NPTEL syllabus, so you can join this course in order to get good marks in your final exam. It will be helpful for your semester. So in order to join, just go to our channel page, click on join button here, and there will be three types of packages: 59, 89 and 119. You can choose anything, 89 rupees or 119 rupees. In 119 you can also get bonus that you can get access to live videos if I do any, or if you want only recorded videos, you can go to 89 per month pack and click on join. If you join in this 89 rupees pack, you can get access to all the preparation videos, not only Python itself. You can get access to all subjects with just that particular 89 rupees only. There is no extra charge. With just least price of 89 rupees, you can get the preparation videos. Guys, before joining, once ask me in the comment section, we can discuss, and later you can proceed to join after I give the acceptance. So let's get into the video. Guys, if you have any doubts regarding this membership of 89 rupees, you can ask me in the comment section. It may be your semester subject, so then you have many classmates who need this, so ask them to join in this membership. So for the sake of students, I have reduced the price from 199 to 89 rupees only. So for students I will give for least price, so just 89, for just 89 rupees I am giving this. So let's see the first question. What is the output of the following code? Guys, these solutions are 100% correct. I have done this practically and I am giving these solutions. If you have any doubt in this solution also, you can ask me in the comment section. So print list of string list. Guys, this is the list function, and within that it is not list function, it is list is a string here. Outside one is the list method, and inside one is a string. That string name is list. Okay, so what is the output of the following code? So for first question, the answer is first option. It will print like this in first option. Moving on to the second question now. What is the output of the following code? So they have given list, they have initialized the list to 1605. These are the elements in the list 1. So they have given the slicing, print of list 1 minus 1 slicing. So for second question, we will get the output as second option, 5061. That means reverse. So minus 1 means from here onwards, 5061. So 5061. Reverse, it will print reverse of the list. Moving on to the third question. What will be the output of the following code? So they have in the list there are three elements. 1, 2, 3 is all one element only. Star is second one. Torch is third one. So print max of list 1. What is mean by max? So here torch is the output you will get. It is the maximum one. So mark third option. Moving on to the fourth question. What is the output of the following code? So list contains three strings. String list: Delhi, Dibrugarh, Kolkata. So list 1 dot insert of 5, 8. Print list 1. So for fourth question, what is the output? So for the fourth question, you will get the answer as first option, Delhi, Dibrugarh, Kolkata and 8. Actually this means at fifth index element should be 8. There is no fifth index here. This is 4. After that it is empty, right, after Kolkata. So the next element is considered as fifth index and the element inserted is 8. So the answer will be like this, first option. Moving on to the fifth question. What is the output again? So the list contains now 5 elements, that is numerical ones, integer 22, 33, 222, 14 and 25. So they are asking list 1 of -3. Actually I will show you. This is from, if you consider from left to right, then it is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you consider from right to left, that means in reverse order, 25 becomes -1, 14 becomes -2 and 222 becomes -3. So they are asking list 1 of -3, that means 222 is the answer. Guys, in Python, when you come from left to right, the index will start from 0, 1, 2 like that. If you if you count from right to left, that means in reverse order, the first element from right becomes -1. There is no -0 like that. Starting from -1 itself, -1, -2, -3 like that. So know this before you do any concept. Moving on to sixth question. What is the output? So A is equals 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. A dot append of 8. So A dot append of 8, print B. So the answer that we will get is fourth option, none. N-O-N-E, none. Because there is no index element 8, because this is 0, 0th index. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. The index is ending with 4. There is no 5, 6, 7, 8 indexes. These are elements, not indexes. Index always starts from 0, right, from left to right. So there is no element with index 8. So we will get none as the answer. Moving on to the seventh question. What is the output? So they have given a 3 lines code and they are asking output. So for seventh question, we will get the answer as first option. They are asking to list dot remove of 44. So when you remove 44, when you use this function remove, then it will remove this and returns the original list. So you will get A only. Moving on to my 8th question. What is the output of the following code? So they are given a list and they are asking list 1 dot index of 5. So for 8th question, the answer is error. You will get an output error. Moving on to the 9th question. What is the output of the following code? So for 9th question, the answer will be 0. Second option. 0 is the answer you will get. That means output. Moving on to the 10th question. What is the output of the following code? So they have given this 2 lines code. So for 10th question, the answer is second option, 786, 786. Here the list 1 is multiplied 2 times. That means it is repeated 2 times. So 786 and 786 2 times. So friends, these are the solutions for week 6 assignment of programming in Python. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this to your friends. So as I said in the above, if you want to join this course, once message me and after I accept, you can join in this course. So get good marks in the NPTEL final exam. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.